In this movie, we take a quick look at 3 commands which can help you make the most of your text files. grep, sed, and awk. They process text streams. They take a look inside files. Let's look at these one by one. The grep command searches inside files. It reads them and then prints out lines matching a pattern. For example, if you're looking for all user name Mike, you could use Mike as a search term on the password database file. The output includes all user information associated with the word Mike. Naturally, you can make the search more complex. Let's use my full name as a search term. And it returns the one username with my full name. Note how I put the quotes around the search term Mike Jang. Let's see what happens if I take off the quotes. grep searches for the term Mike in the file name Jang, which doesn't exist, so grep complains, and then it searches for the term Mike in the password database file. Next, let's look at the sed command. It's a stream editor, which can transform input from one file into output in another file. We want to transform the file named OS. Let's take a look at it. That's not what we want to see. It would be better if we substituted the word Torvalds or the word Gates. With the stream command, that's easy. We substitute for the word Gates the word Torvalds. We take the stream from the file named OS and direct the output to the file named Best OS. Now let's look inside the Best OS file. Isn't that better? Next, the awk command. It's more of a database manipulation tool. It allows you to identify the line with a keyword and then read out the text from a specified column. But you absolutely don't need a word. Take this awk command, for example. It uses the colon, as shown in quotes, as noted with the -f option. The colon is thus specified as a delimiter. In other words, it specifies the different columns. If you forget how that works, look at etc password. You see each column is delimited by colons. Now back to the awk command. When you use the colon as a delimiter and say, OK, let's print out the first column, what do you get? But a list of usernames. And as you remember, that's from the first column of etc password. You can further delimit the output using Mike as a search term. And you get the 2 usernames associated with the word Mike. Thank you, and on to the next tutorial.